1. Welcome to Life Notes for February 12, 2024. 2. Let's get started on empowering your life. Welcome to Life Notes, where we believe in taking charge of our lives and making things happen. Often we hear the phrase, if it's God's will, it will come to pass. We just have to wait for His time. But as James 4:17 reminds us, faith without works is dead. Just faith it? Do we just sit around and wait for life to drop in our lap? When I suggested that you assess your life and uncover things that are holding you back, and then after writing them down, consider ways to change and modify your behavior. That was your assignment. 2. What challenges have you identified in your life? What steps are you taking to overcome them? 3. Faith without works is dead. This isn't just a saying, it's a call to action. I can already hear one of you agreeing by saying, sounds good. You take care of the faith department. I'll handle the works department. Not so fast. You can no more show me your works apart from your faith than I can show you my faith apart from my works. Faith and works and faith fit together hand in glove. Be proactive in shaping your future. Assess your situation, make modifications, and take action. 1. Be proactive in shaping your future. 2. Did you anticipate a probable set of developments which could come about due to your new system of action? 3. Were any of these developments too challenging at this time? 4. What response did you take to mold your changes into your routine? 5. How's that working for you? 1. What will you decide? 2. What's your plan for improvement? 3. Look at your progress every week. 4. Where can you do better? One, what will decide? 2. What's your plan for improvement? 3. Look at your progress every week. 4. Where can you do better? 1. We appreciate your investing time with us. 2. Remember why you are in charge of you. Do your best. 3. We are available for workshops and seminars. Contact us today. 4. Power up for a highly productive week. See you next time.